Ruby Franke and Jody Hildebrand have both been sentenced after they pled to 4 counts of aggravated child abuse. They are both going to be spending up to 60 years in prison. The sentencing was a little weird. So for each count of aggravated child abuse, they were sentenced for between 1 to 15 years, with the sentences to run consecutively, and then they're leaving it up to the parole board to decide when they've been rehabilitated enough to be released. The 10-page plea agreements detailed pretty horrific child abuse of Ruby Franke's 2 youngest children. As far as I can tell, those children are still in Child Protective Services and not been released to the father. Please let me know if that's wrong, but I haven't seen any information that indicates those minor children have been released to their father. Their father, Kevin Franke, has not been charged and has filed for divorce. You will recall Ruby Franke is a woman who gave parenting advice in her YouTube vlog called 8 Passengers. She had controversial tactics at that time, and they just became more and more extreme and awful over time. This was discovered when her 12-year-old escaped, ran to a neighbor's house, and was in terrible, terrible shape. After she was sentenced, Ruby Franke broke down in tears and said, "I'm humbled and willing to serve a prison sentence for as long as I need. I am committing to unlearning my toxic behavior." She also apologized for, quote, twisting God's words and distorting his doctrine. One of the things she did was she regularly told her 2 youngest children that they were possessed by demons and deserving of this horrific, atrocious child abuse.